This is a 2010 Ford Escape V6. It had its check engine light on, indicating codes 2270 and 2096 Bank 1 Sensor 2 Lean, which indicates a oxygen sensor may be having issues. So this refers to the oxygen sensor, which is the downstream that is behind the catalytic converter. And what I wanted to show today real quick, because I couldn't find any YouTube videos on this, is that this Escape has three oxygen sensors. One is the upstream and the other two are the downstream, and there's three total, and all the videos were just showing the downstream one that was the easiest one to get to, and I'm going to show you the one that is a little more difficult. But first I wanted to show you the tools that I used. This is a 7/8 socket and wrench with the groove in it, so I can get to the oxygen sensor and work around that cable. Also, it comes with some grease for the new one, and then also a breaker bar. The other thing that I used was liquid wrench, and I sprayed the oxygen sensor the day before and let it soak so it would kind of free up the oxygen sensor so I could get it out a little bit easier. So this is the easy one to get to underneath the car that all the videos show, and you don't even have to jack up the car to get to this one. It's really easy to get to. But then I realized after I replaced that one, the check engine light came back on a couple days later, and after I started looking I realized there was yet another one, and that's the one I wanted to show you real quick. And it's further down the car here underneath, and you'll have to jack up the car to get to it. But this is the one that I'm talking about. It's a little more difficult to get to, and it has a guide that it goes through around the exhaust manifold, and then up here, hopefully you can see it, here is the connector right there. So a little more difficult to get to than the ones that I found online with the videos. Let's see if I can focus on that a little bit better and show you where it's at. So just know that there is two downstream oxygen sensors on a 2010 Ford Escape, and hopefully it'll help you out.